Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to spooky season. Ooh. Today we are doing an ice queen look. I haven't decided exactly what I'm going to do yet, so you're going to do it along with me. I don't know how I'm going to do it, but we're going to work together and we're going to do it. But first off, I'm going to apply contacts. Again, I'm not sponsored by contacts. I'm just going to pop them in. I'm going to do another transition. I'm going to tie my hair back. So what I do know we're going to start is the Simple Triple Protect Moisturiser. I'm just going to apply this all over the face. It has SPF in it. So now we're going to prime. I'm going to use the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I'm just going to use my finger today and apply it in the T-zone. For the base, I'm going to take the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Full Coverage Foundation in Light and mix in the Brightening Youth Glow by Charlotte Tilbury. I'm going to use the Born This Way, Too Faced Born This Way, should I say, concealer in the shade Marshmallow, just to cover up any blemishes. I'm now going to use the NYX Professional Makeup Eyeshadow Base in the shade White. I'm also going to use the Evolution SFX Paint Palette, and I'm going to use the shade White. Okay, so now that we've done all that part, I'm going to take the Maddie Ziegler Morphe palette and the shade number 5. I'm just going to take it under the chin, down the neck, and all that kind of thing. I'm now going to use the same shade to make an eyeshadow kind of look. I'm going to use the highlighter in Space Baby. It's this white with like a blue shimmer. I'm going to use the ABH Norvina Collection opaque white cake liner. I'm going to do the other eye and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm going to add highlighter and I'm going to use the Glazed Donut Highlighter, shade Space Baby, and actually highlight with this. Okay, so now we're going to apply lashes. The lashes I'm going to apply are these Unicorn Cosmetics Unicorn Flutter Lashes, and I just painted them white and added some glitter and some snowflakey bits. So for lips, I use this MUA Lux Velvet Lip Lacquer. This is in the shade Unity. I'm going to apply the wig, and then I'm going to add some sparkles. I can't see what I'm doing. And to do this, I'm going to use the Elements Glitter Primer and these little snowflake sparkly things that I have. And that is the finished Snow Queen look. That piece is really annoying me. If you want to know how I made the crown, I made this myself. There'll be a video that is up already for this. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment down below any other Halloween ideas you'd like me to do. Yeah, I love you guys. Bye.